in Georgetown, Guyana. Now I just want to show you what's happening with this building since the last time I showed it a few months ago. It's a clear blue Monday morning at Kingston Seashore here in Georgetown, Guyana. We want to give an update. We want to bring you an update on the Pegasus Hotel expansion. It looks as if the cranes have again been lifted, extended, and we're approaching or completing floor number 12 on the Pegasus Hotel expansion, the office tower. Let's take a closer look.
1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, this is my day. I'm ready to take it on, come what may.
This is Monday, October 14, here in Georgetown, Guyana, at the Kingston Seashore. And what we're looking at is the 12th floor being completed at the Pegasus Hotel expansion office tower. Now, again, let's do the count as usual. I'm gonna count the number of floors and tell you exactly where we are. But as you can see, work is already in progress. They've already started. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday morning. These are the trampolines that have been left over from the weekend activities here at Kingston Seawall. This is usually kids' playground on Saturday night and Sunday night, but here we have the office tower. What we're going to do is count again the number of floors. You can see in the distance, that's the Kingston Lighthouse. And now the office tower is so tall that you could barely see the Pegasus Hotel itself in the background. It's obscured, completely obscured the Marriott. And here you can see some foundation work still going on for the convention center. The convention center foundation is almost completed. You can see rebar rising for pillars, so they're beginning to pour the ground floor after this. So let's count the number of floors here on the Pegasus office tower. So if we're starting again at the ground floor, we're saying the bottom of that staircase is the ground floor. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 12th floor is now being poured. We're at floor number 12. You can see the crane is still moving, dropping materials on the 12th floor. Now, because the crane is still much taller than the building, I think they might be going up at least another floor. It could be going to 15, I don't know. I think 12 is what the picture on the signboard says. There'll be 12. It's a 12th floor building. So I counted the floors in the picture on the signboard, and looks like 12. Could be 15. We don't know. We'll see what happens. And you can see the rebar for the connecting building. The connection between the two buildings is already being put up, so significant progress here at the work site for the Pegasus hotel expansion. Here the tide is out at Kingston. Bright sunshine on a Monday morning, and now you can barely see the Marriott Hotel behind. There's the Marriott Hotel behind. Now we're gonna count the floors on the Marriott. And from where I am, I can count from the top going down. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 7, 8, 9. There are no more than 9, probably 10 floors on the Marriott. So Pegasus is already going to be taller than the Marriott. Right, that's the Pegasus Hotel expansion. This is the crane. This is the office tower. And they're gonna probably start to work on the facade very soon. As you can see here, workers on the outside of the building. That's the crane, it's actually almost above me. And these guys, can't tell if they're wearing harnesses, but they are climbing high. And the crane is being used to help them with the construction. They might be putting a roof onto this section of the building. So guys, this is what's happening here at the Pegasus Hotel expansion worksite. The building is now taller than both the Pegasus and the Marriott. I think here we can see a little more clearly what's happening on the inside. From what I can see, this second floor, the ceiling height is about twice the height of the other floors. So this ceiling is probably going to be, this second floor is going to be like a lobby with ceilings that are double the height of the remainder of the other floors. And so if you take that into consideration, I think you still get 12 floors. You still get 12 floors. You're still working on the 12th floor. The top floor is still the 12th floor. But this second floor is probably going to be a lobby with doubly high ceilings. So the nature of the details of the building is beginning to emerge. And as you can see, that's the connecting tube that they're going to be building, perhaps a walkway to connect the two buildings. But that's what's happening here, guys. That's what's happening here at the Pegasus Hotel expansion worksite. It looks as if they're going to be completing this by the end of the year, if not early next year. There you have it, folks. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe in the comments below. Tell me what you think about progress here at the Pegasus Hotel expansion worksite, and what you think about the emerging architectural details that are beginning to show on this building. Like and subscribe, share this video with friends and family around the world. Let them see what's happening here in Georgetown, Guyana. Later! South Road and Light Street here on Crowell Street in Georgetown, Guyana. Now I just want to show you what's happening with this building since the last time I showed it a few months ago. This one is moving a lot slower. Evidently the contractor is Guyanese. They're not as efficient as the Chinese, but they are making progress. They have completed, relax, they have completed 4 floors. 4 floors. Here already. And beginning to complete the plan. So there's probably going to be a roof deck on this one, not necessarily another floor. So basically 3 levels and a roof deck. So that's what's happening here. Winter Garden and Crowell Street.